Jehova kabisa. Asante na Mungu akubariki. Kila la heri. Asante, gari yako.
I think now we become one. To come in front, Mr. Edward Mugendi and Mr.
One of our key visions is to try and see many and many more Kenyans driving brand new vehicles on our roads so that we can actually enhance the value. So the partnership here is really to offer a 95% financing with a 5-year repayment period and a 90-day holiday repayment.
We are taking there over 150 billion shillings. We have been investing in government securities. We are taking it from the government securities pot and we are now taking it to small, medium enterprises. We are the only bank in Kenya with 182 branches. We have 40,000 equity agents across the country and they will be available to sell this package to small, medium entrepreneurs. We've started with the pickup Hilux. We'll be